Welcome, today in front of me Oukitel OKT1 and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's just select the screen where you want to add the widget. For example, I'll go with a new one to have a little bit more space to show you how you can do that. And I'll just hold for a while the screen and here click to the widgets icon. Here you'll see all the available applications which widgets you can add. For example, you can go with a calendar shadow. Just hold for a while the widget and drag it to the home screen. Now we can see that the widget added successfully. If you want to resize the widget, just hold it and after that you can make it bigger or smaller. If you want to move the widget between the screens, that's not a problem, just hold it and drag it here. Also, we can create the new screens with the widgets, as you can see that's so simple. If you want to remove it, just hold it for a while and drag it here to remove icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.